Hi everyone, I haven't made a video in a really long time, but just today I received a product that I really wanted to share with people, and making a YouTube video is a really great way to get people to see something. So without any further ado, here is the product, or at least the box that the product came in. Now you will notice from this setup that I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't make videos a lot, and I don't do unboxings and things like that very often unless there's something that I think people would benefit from seeing. I will admit that I've opened this already, as you can see. When I opened it, there was something inside, like a QR code that you could see, so I sealed it back up. I'm not sure if people should be able to see it, so I sealed it back up and remade the video, so I apologise that it isn't a true unboxing, that I have already taken a knife and done that part that some people really enjoy. But I haven't taken anything out of the box, I've just turned the card that has the QR code on around, so you'll still get to see everything that comes with this product. What's in here is super special for a bunch of reasons, and really why I wanted to make the video was because of the product. I'm really pleased to say that somehow, and I'll get onto exactly how, I'm one of the few people in the world to actually have a pair of these, and me saying a pair gives you an idea of what we're talking about. I'll probably end up putting the title of the product in the title of the video, because why wouldn't you? But we'll get into it. So, on opening the box, you get these two pieces of card, which give you an idea of some of the things that sit behind this product and what makes it special. This one that says end plastic waste, and this one that says, along with some other writing, but the main thing is scan the QR code to get started, and it has that picture of a trainer with a few more instructions in different languages on the back, and the link to the adidas.com/sustainability website. So the main thing to actually see is here in this bag, and actually when I saw that they came in just a bag, that's something that's very different to most things here, at least in the UK, and I'm pretty sure around the world. Trainers normally arrive in boxes, they don't normally arrive in bags, but again, I think that's a nod to some of the stuff that goes alongside this product, and some of the ideology about what you're supposed to do with them. So final little extra thing is just this tag that holds the bag together. It kind of slots through there, that again has that end plastic waste logo, and just the size of the shoe, which is a 10 UK, 44 EU. So here they are, and I'm really pleased to be able to show you these. These are the futurecraft.loop Adidas training shoes. So yeah, I'll go into a bit more detail about what makes them special. And there's two really big things that make them special. One, which I think is perhaps the most incredible part, is they're all made from the same material. So what I mean by that is the entire product is made of one type of plastic that is just manipulated in slightly different ways to give you this different kind of finish. So the laces, the upper, the insole, the sole, the boost, everything is made from this one plastic polymer, which is amazing, really. And that enables the second part of what makes these shoes and the product and the concept behind them really special, is that by having everything made of this one plastic, Adidas can very quickly and easily use the same product again and again. So what happens, the concept behind them, is like everybody else, I buy shoes, I buy trainers to wear, to do stuff in. So you buy these, then you wear them, you use them, but instead of what normally happens, I don't know about you, but when I buy trainers, I wear, I use them, I run in them, I do whatever, and then once they are worn down, once the sole starts to not give you the support you need, etc., once they're muddy and dirty and they're just not good to use anymore, you tend to throw them away, you put them in the bin. These shoes, are so special because you can post them back to Adidas. You can get them back to Adidas somehow. That bit's not clear yet for me. As I say, they're in the really early stages of development here. I think this is the second generation. The first generation was a test with 200 people, and this one is now a test with 1,500 people, plus those original 200. So yeah, you wear these shoes, you run with them, you do whatever you do in them, and then you get them back to Adidas and they shred them. They shred these shoes entirely down to their constituent plastic part, and then make another version of them. So the concept that sits behind these and why I think they're so cool, so exciting and so interesting for people who run, people who exercise, but also just the wider world, is that this is a completely reusable product. Adidas are trying to make a shoe which you can wear and then return the product. They will make you a new shoe and return that to you from the product that you originally had. Obviously there'll be slight wear and stuff that they'll have to add a certain percentage of new product to make them, to make the soles back to where they need to be and stuff. But the general concept is that nothing here will go to waste. This is entirely recyclable. I also understand that there's no glue involved, that what Adidas are doing is just heating the material to different temperatures so that it holds together in different spaces, and I don't know if you can see that, but the seams look really good. There isn't like a bead of glue that sometimes you can see on trainers or sneakers. It is just like they sort of flow into the sole, the upper flows into that, and then it's heat sealed there. So yeah, these are some really, really special trainers, some really, really special products that I'm really pleased to have. And I didn't actually pay for these. I can imagine that when these come out, they will probably be at a premium. Like I say, at the moment, they are in the hands of about 1,500 people, plus an original 200 people who, from what I read this morning, I think that they have got the material in their new set of shoes that they've received in this second phase, using the material that was in the first phase, which is the first time that has happened, the first time that Adidas have done that whole loop, that whole cycle of the product being given to people, worn, recycled, the same product being given, reformed back into a shoe. So yeah, at the moment, these are only available to certain people. They're not on sale yet. The plan, from what I understand from the Adidas website, is to release these for purchase in spring, summer 21. So how I got these, and I got these for free because I imagine that they will be quite an expensive product when they first come out, because you're kind of buying into this concept and you're buying into you buy the first pair and then I imagine you'll pay like a small fee each time you have them reformed into a new pair of shoes for you. But I got these for free as part of the Adidas Creators Club, which, if you haven't heard of that before, even if you're not particularly into running, you're not particularly athletic, you're not a sneakerhead or particularly into Adidas products, if you buy anything from there, I would urge you to sign up to the Creators Club. It just gets you so many benefits, like free delivery, at least here in the UK, and invites into things like these. So I was able to get these because I was a member of the Creators Club. I took a quiz about sustainability, which is obviously at the heart of this product. And then I was successfully selected as one of the 1,500 people to receive this product. So if you're not already a member of the Adidas Creators Club, I'll put some information about it and maybe a sign-up link in the description below. So yeah, that's the shoe really. I'm currently having an internal battle with myself as to whether I should wear them or whether I should put them in the bag and never touch them, because they're such an incredible first or really early generation product. But I feel like if I do that, I've kind of defeated the point of what they're all about. So they're about being worn, being reused, and you having the same shoe or the same material in your shoes for an entire lifetime. So I'm currently having that debate in my head as to whether I'm being stupid by wearing these ultra rare, I imagine quite desirable shoes just to run around in, or if I'm being anti the product itself, anti the concept if I don't wear them. So I'm currently having that debate, hence me not showing you a picture of me wearing them or telling you about how they fit and feel. I mean, they feel in the hand, they're quite light, they're not super light. Sometimes you get running trainers that you can barely feel them when you pick them up. They're quite light, and they've got this sort of standard Adidas Boost sole that they have on a number of their running shoes, and this thing that I'm never quite sure what it does, but again, that's on a number of their running shoes. But they feel good in the hand. I'm just like I say, struggling with that concept of should I be wearing these, because that's the whole point, is that they're worn until worn out, returned, reused, recycled. It stops you buying a new pair of shoes. Or should I just safely put them back in the bag and never touch them? So I'll let you know how I get on with that. But I will link to a bunch more information about these shoes. I will link to, like I say, the Creators Club that I'd urge you to sign up to get access to things like this. They do loads of competitions and releases and things in the future. I'm sure that'll be the case as well. So thanks for watching the video. If you've really enjoyed them, enjoyed the video and really enjoyed learning about the shoes, feel free to ask any questions below and I'll do my best to answer them. I would love you to subscribe, of course. Everybody says that, and it would be great if you could subscribe and support a channel that is definitely in its infancy, and let me know, as the creator, that you'd be interested in hearing more views from me. And that, I suppose, is it. Happy, as I say, to answer any questions. But yeah, there they are. These awesome shoes, which feel really great in the hand and look, I think, actually pretty cool. I even like the colour, which is sort of this off-white, creamy off-white colour. I understand, by the way, just before I completely wrap up, that in the next generation there will be different colours as Adidas start adding dyes to the product, now that they're confident they can reuse it, but they're very much in their infancy as a thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do look down below for, like I say, a bunch of links to more information about the shoes, the Creators Club that I urge you to sign up for. And that is it from me today. Thanks for watching.